In the grand history of Shinobi, many men and women have had their names etched into the bedrock for all to remember. The world may remember some by their accomplishments and what they showed us as to what it means to be a ninja above all else. However, what most people fear more than the shinobi's ability is the clan that bred and forged them. For there is the heart that engraved its values onto all they encounter. Most clans are known, but few are remembered, such as the Senju, Uzumaki, Uchiha, Kaguya, and even Yugo's lost clan, whose clan power led to them killing themselves. These clans burned out in a way that only solidified their demise as an important step to truly write the tale that defined their legacy. There are the tellings of one such clan. These are the tellings of one such clan. Introducing the memoirs of the Kami no Tori, the Birds of Divinity, a fellowship of misfit rogue shinobis that came together to do what they couldn't do alone. Behold the tales of the determined, foolish, overachieving, prideful, egotistical, loyal, flawed, and proficient brotherhood.
Almost got invited to a new clan today.
Well, I have time to finish this, and if you join them, you will have...
I wasn't going to join them. Yeah, but they are very bad. They're an old clan. I don't know if you all ever heard of Espada.
You have to be banished.
Dude, they're one of the original, like, shinobi striker clans. I even know what these guys, and I don't even fucking get new clans. I was playing, like, fucking, like, Prestige 19s and 15s today. It's a whole different fucking game up there. For some reason, you can get jumped right next to your crew. Like, how the fuck do they do that?
I proceeded to do it not once, but 2 more times in a row. So it wasn't a coincidence. It was just, he got outmatched. But he was also expecting a healer whenever he got over there. And what he got was a nervous system rupturing, fucking chakra scalpel wielding, fucking kamikaze asshole.
These brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, never go roll with ice. These brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, never go roll with ice. Ride or die, 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 ride or die. These brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, never go ride or die.
They're exactly the same.
Does it matter?
They are exactly the same. Literally exactly the same. Combo and everything.
Sasuke's Boruto sword and Orochimaru's snake sword.
Yeah. Kazemaga sword. They're the same sword, they just look different. Because it's a magical sword, so whenever fucking Sasuke killed Orochimaru in his head, he took possession of the sword. And it took a form that he was familiar with, which was the katana. Where Orochimaru and his long snake
about the
thrusty
Boruto one.
nith. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro.
So if I use the Orochimaru one, I'm gonna play exactly the same as last game. Walks a little
But
better.
before you rudely interrupted me like I was saying, Orochimaru's is in a long sword style because Orochimaru was a thruster. He used his snake jutsu to increase his reach and make him be able to stab far distances.
Oh,
Sasuke
Shashabi's in
is an
Boruto.
Uchiha, so he is more fluid and flippy motion. That's the difference. Exactly. That's why
I'm using a
Orochimaru's
lightning
is
style and
2020.
fire style as well. So
You
that's
gotta
why
be
should I
shitting
be
me,
using
Fury. You
Sasuke's?
goddamn fucking Nazi. You better
He always
fucking
gets
get your
dash
Nazi
about stuff.
your fucking...
We're only joking about this, but turns out he actually is.
Hey,
Fucking
it's
banners
whatever,
all around
man.
his house.
He probably does.
Yeah, I'm only joking.
I mean,
but yeah, I
no,
don't care.
exactly.
What the fuck? Cause
I'm about to be put Fall Guys.
I walk around with my heel intact.
I'm about to die. I'm getting slowed down as fuck. I'm dead.
That was an accident. We ain't gonna talk about that, man.
Y'all need to talk about it. You know why? Y'all gotta figure out where y'all went wrong right there. And I don't want to
Defense
hear
on
nobody
me,
say
PG guys,
they're
I'm dead.
teammates. I want to hear. I
They
want to hear
all
constructive.
three gave zero fucked about us and went straight for you.
Yeah. I got Pitfall 3 times right there.
They knew a target when they see one.
I'm taking this outfit off. It makes me look like a noob. I just want the original version.
Based on that gameplay, I would say the outfit fits him.
He's giant up then.
Where am I?
Shooting them shot you.
Yo, is Eddie playing with y'all?
Yeah.
This here.
Ah, Ed Bay. And how are you today, Ed Boy? Do you have good radishes for Ralph?
What the fuck's he going on about? Do you have to come out of
Shut the fuck up over there. You're not Ed Boy. Only Ed Boy may talk to me. Get out of the way, mate. If you speak again, then Ralph will spread you and I will peel you like an onion. Oh, no.
De mano
Yeah.
They did, bro.
I am here to stand in this room.
I'm not even helping y'all. I'm not helping y'all.
It's only the two of them, bro.
I'm not helping y'all. Why? I'll sit back.
Alright.
I'm not even healing. I'm just gonna sit back and watch. I gotta make it fair for my dudes. I'm just here.
Bro. You wanna know what district's gonna use it right now, bro? It don't make
You said leaf.
Alright, now,
You
bro.
said you say leaf.
Oh my god! And it what?
There's no leaf flashing
They need to fix that, bro.
gun.
Oh, I just broke my own rule. I must kill myself now.
What?
Eternal sadness.
Do it. Pussy mom. Do it now.
Do it!
The person you are trying to reach is no longer in service.
Yo, Fuana, look how many kills I got, bro.
Says
I'm about to be a dick.
because you a bitch.
Damn, double digit. Oh, and I got the last kill. Yay. Got his bitch over the pit.
Bro, you're saying it wrong, bro. You gotta say it with a lot of power, bro. That's the noise your mom makes when she gets fucked in the butt.
Oh yeah.
Well, I guess she got fucked when she laid you, didn't she?
Fuck off. Shut up, JJ, you ugly bitch.
Oh. That was a roasting word.
Hello.
Ugly motherfucker. I think I saw that video. You say, Daddy?
What the hell even is that? Daddy, chill.
What the hell is this? Daddy, chill.
Who's doing
It's
that?
bro.
Just my man shanked him, dead him in dust.
I don't even know what the fuck I even have this class right here for. Yeah.
What's
I made
poppin',
this class out.
homies?
Ain't gonna hang right now. Niggas over there back spray.
Is it only MS and Eddie in this fucking survival? I swear I'm about to get shit on. I'm glad JJ's not in it though. I refuse to play with survival with JJ.
Oh my god, bro.
You only go for me even when there's a full match.
Alright, I won't go for you this time, I swear. Come on, please.
We're not playing that anymore. Well, Fiora's joining. We're doing Ninja World League. I thought you just stayed in
Oh
Paris.
my god,
Well, I
this is
finished
fighting
Ninja
me.
World League.
Yeah, I
Do
thought
you
we
not
were
know when
gonna
to
do
fight?
I'm literally almost S1 now. We could do some more survival.
I think I joined. Oh my god, it's already started.
Oh my god, shut the fuck up.
You already started.
Yeah, I know we did.
Shut your fucking face, bruh.
I refuse to play survival with him.
Bro, yeah. Shut it. The only person that's allowed to talk is me and Fury.
Ed,
But
oh,
actually
Jay,
a bit,
do
you
another
know?
one. Let's go. Wait, no. Yeah, I need to change my. I have a really bad slot on.
Who won the last game? Ralph did not acquire.
Me, I won it.
Eddie won it. Don't listen to Faisal.
I'm only joking. Oh!
Alright, yeah, I might need y'all to go as an actual survival exercise. I'm gonna try to join in on the same fucking game as
Yeah,
y'all.
that's what we're doing.
Tell me when y'all about to go and do it.
No, we can't do that shit.
Can't do what?
You have to.
I mean, you might be able to.
Yeah. Y'all
No.
go to actual
If you
oh,
go
yeah,
to
y'all can't do it.
practice. If you go to practice,
We
you might be
can't.
able to do it. Because it's still like searches. So maybe.
Hey, you're right. Cause look, right now it's the player list.
One now.
But no, it will only let 4 people into a game.
Yeah.
Alright.
Action status.
Run.
Well, who the fuck will it find there? Will it just?
I am about to start.
Hey, cut it out.
Start it up. They about to go and have. I'm gonna get me into one of these survival exercises too.
Start it up, bro.
They starting it up. They getting it pumped. But right now, niggas, y'all about to get slumped.
Start it up.
Bitch, I'm a
Yeah,
big
bro.
ninja.
I say, what's up? It's gonna be right.
I'm a big cog. Walk around with.
I'm taking my brain. I'm taking the left. My right. I shoot my left. My hand.
Can't protect you. Oh no.
Let's go. Ready up, bro. Let's start that shit up.
Yeah, Eddie, start it up, bro.
In
It's the bro.
Someone is not ready.
Someone is not ready.
It's dead.
Who is
Dead
not
is the one that
ready?
wasn't ready.
Over there. You lying, motherfucker.
Nah, because I've been standing up by the guy I was saying.
I'm dancing with a Gara on all the noobs in the middle.
You have a tiny penis in my dresses.
No, you do. Your wife is gonna leave you because it's such a shortage.
She probably is, to be honest.
It Probably took 10 seconds to conceive, you know. That's how look you like.
Actually, it
Faisal,
was
you might
more
have a
like
better advantage, bro.
Fight. Fight.
You talk about my boy Tech T said it took your mama 9 years to make one fucking joke. You better leave my boy alone.
9 years? 9 years? I'm not 9 years old. You fucking chill. I know Fiora's like 30, but chill.
You the best.
See.
What did you say to the Fiora? What the fuck?
Bro, what?
And boy, you are the best.
I don't understand.
Shut the fuck up, Faisal.
Is that his name, Faisal?
I don't know.
Meet on board.
That's what I've decided to call him.
What the
Is
fuck is
Faisal.
that? What the fuck did he put in the chat?
Better
Oh,
than
it's a
what
kid.
else I've been called. I've been called Frozone.
You wish you could be
Shut up, you're
Frozone.
Faisal. You're Faisal.
FXX. I just call him a cable station.
Nah, shut the fuck up. What did Eddie text me? He texted me my last
Be
name, but
careful.
who the fuck is Jimmy? I don't know anyone
Gypsy.
called
He
Jimmy.
is my dad.
Your dad's called Jimmy?
You know Jimmy's another name for a condom?
No, it's another word for a dick, gay boy.
It's a Johnny, not Jimmy.
No,
No, it's a Jimmy.
no,
They
yeah,
call
No,
him
it's
Jimmy also.
it's
Yeah.
called a Jimmy hat.
Bro, what?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Lol, you so funny.
Bro, what the fuck? Why is this?
I need.
Dad's also named
I'm calling
Jimmy.
some sus. I'm calling sus on master because he called a condom a Jimmy.
Okay.
Oh,
My
all right,
dad's
it
named
passed.
Jimmy.
Everybody,
It's alright.
we're sus on master right now.
What? Bando. Bencho.
Lo.
Yeah.
You are a bullshit guy. You are a straight bullshit guy.
This guy number one bullshit to this guy right here.
Number one bullshitter.
Yep, this man Faisal finna die. I swear.
He's been working really hard on that Y spam. I shouldn't have never told him how to dash cancel through those fucking kunai. Especially
You're all
with the
healers,
C-Suite
what do you want me
katana,
to
because
do?
it'll do like a body
I can't do
flicker
anything
type
else.
do. Yeah, you can. It's got a really good combo if you are willing to risk it and get in close. But you gotta risk it for that biscuit, you know? He's
Thank
just
you.
throwing the kunai because he's scared
Thank
to try
you,
to
babe.
get in close
Oh,
with the dagger
oh, so-
because of how short the range is.
On the dagger.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry,
He's
generate.
he's
Yeah, that's
just
what I mean,
getting
he's
him
just-
locked in that damn combo and he's just beating
Yeah,
the
'cause
shit
he's
out of him with
healing.
it. So? That
Yeah, 'cause
doesn't
he
mean
has-
you can't click other buttons.
I'm using all my other shit, but I'm waiting for my juices to thingy up.
On me, bro.
Yeah, that's
sit there,
called
bro.
Y spamming.
That's what I was using.
And we're not saying you weren't using it.
Oh yeah. So gang.
That's what we're saying. Is that all you were using was Y spamming.
That's
You ready? What do you else do you want me to fucking do? I'm just sitting doing this shit all day. Wait, give me a second, bro. Yeah, exactly. This is what I'm talking about.
You can't combo with it. You can't get in and throw a combo. You can't hit X X X Y Y.
Not when he's using the shit he's using.
He's using Sasuke or Shisui's
Oh,
katana.
do you see you? No, no.
that
You,
was
Yeah.
a good game.
Ed's really like. Ed went
Run it
very
back.
unnoticed for most of that battle, like somehow, and yet managed to stay. Like he was fighting the whole time, but like he.
No, it was like only like 10 points below me when he was in second, and he only had 1 kill. And I had like 4. It was only like 10, 20 points below. I don't know why. Get ready to press entry. I'll survive on. We'll say 3, 2, 1. Referee
No,
go.
you can invite him to your deal.
What?
I left
wait,
the
guys,
left.
I'm off. Oh,
I
you
left
gonna leave?
behind.
Alright, bro.
I
It's
didn't
only
know that.
me, bro.
Got
What?
Why you make your character so tall, my nigga?
He's
I
overcompensating.
just made it regular size.
Yeah, he's the same height as my cage. This is average.
I just
dog.
changed it. I was on the medium, but I changed it back. I don't know why you're a midget. Like, that's the smallest one. I was on the one. Anyway, stop. I'm gonna change my character back to the size real quick. Press leave.
Okay.
Anyway, press leave battle.
We watch you for entertainment, FX. Why? Because you're entertaining. Why? Because you suck.
No, it's not.
Things
It's not
that
a random
suck
fight
at
level.
life. Things that suck at life are entertaining to watch. So.
Well,
That's why you're a
FX is
cable
the
channel.
cable station, but FXX stands.
Cancer.
The definition is French metropolitan. I'm telling you. Go look it up.
Shut the fuck up.
How do you
Nobody
put the
asked you
text to
for
chat on?
eat a butt.
How do you get the woman to talk?
Hey, is that Pisces sign? Is that the Pisces sign?
Eat a butt. 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 Eat a butt.
I'm a Cancer.
Are you now?
Yeah.
Sit down.
I don't
To
understand
the
all that
number
shit
one water
anyway.
creature.
What, are you a fucking fish?
No, bitch. I'm two fish.
I have got cancer.
Oh.
Oh, I made him pitfall. Eat a dick, Pornhub. Eat a dick, Pornhub.
Yo, can you please get off of me, bro?
He said, I wish I could. But you see, Geico Insurance is making sure that you're covered, my friend.
Bro, that's not even me talking, that's the other American guy.
Faisal, we already lost, bro. It's already over,
Oh.
bro.
Yeah,
You
it's
keep
a
coming
fucking-
for me, bro. Like,
It don't matter, we got
person.
fucking another week to get S1, I don't care, I only want S1, I don't really give a fuck. Cause we're not gonna win, obviously, we've got the shittest team ever.
Dude, we're fucking winning. What the fuck you talking about, you tiny dick?
I'm not even on
ass
your
son of a
team.
bitch?
Not even in your game, Emma. You're in your own.
Oh, we
Oh,
lost.
are we?
Yo,
Yo, you're on your own, yeah. That's what I mean.
My
I'm on
bad,
with
bro,
J.
son.
I'm on with Eddie's okay, but I'm on with JJ, JJ and this GQ Paradox kid, and we're fucking getting shot
God, bro.
by a plat, 2 silvers, and a gold.
Y'all didn't play enough Ninja World
Forget
Face
the,
Off.
It's me again. Yeah, of course. Bro. Leave me
Oh my
alone,
fucking
bro.
god! Nobody died. I have my own.
Damn.
Nobody died. Just run away. Run away.
That's what she said.
I'm trying, but this Ringekko kid,
JJ, if
bro.
you die, you're getting. No, I'm joking. But I swear, I have my ult ready to fuck on.
He said if you die, he's gonna fuck your mom.
Yeah, look, I'm right back. Literally, kill 4 of them right now. Come on.
Bro, we
Yeah, if you-
can't,
if
bro.
you're good, if
Oh
you're
my
good,
God, the last
don't say
kill,
you can. What you want about I
Exactly.
can't? Don't say I can't.
Last
Just
kill,
do it.
last
Just
kill,
do it.
last
This is
Just
why.
do it.
You
Attempt
say,
it.
oh, I
Last
can.
kill,
He always
last
says I
kill, last
can.
kill,
Just do it.
last
Shut the
kill.
fuck up.
You can do it, man. I believe in you. You got this.
That's what I mean. He always says I can, and just don't even try, and he lets
Yeah,
throws the game.
that shit needs to change. You can
Literally, I
accomplish
just got
look.
another kid. I got another kid.
Difficult takes an hour,
How
impossible
did he
takes
get
a
out
week.
of that?
He teleported. He had a oh, yeah, he
Yo,
got his
Difficult
ult.
takes a day and impossible takes a week.
Sorry, I can't do that. Oh! Faisal, I need help. Faisal, I need help.
You
I
got
need
no
help. Oh my God.
skill.
Nobody died. Literally, just nobody died. I'm trying to.
Really
I'm
good.
getting a kid half health. I want to kill him before he fucking met.
Bro, this Ringekko kid will not get off of me, bro.
You got a tiny penis. You got
Yo.
to dive and dodge,
That's
bro.
what you get, bro. Should have never been my thing.
I got another. Come on,
Duck.
two more.
You gotta dodge, duck, dip, divot, and dodge.
Kill me, he's weak as fuck.
Uh-huh. I'm still healing. What you doing? What you doing? I'm still healing.
Said
I'm still
dodge
healing.
because it's
Ah,
just as important.
One more.
If you
Let's
can
get-
dodge a wrench, you
Yo.
can dodge a ball. You can
Come on,
dodge a
bro.
ball,
You
you
got
can
shot,
dodge a
you got
Rasengan. You can dodge a Rasengan, you can dodge a
You cut it,
Chidori.
face on
You
you,
can
go.
dodge a
Shot.
Chidori,
Let's
then
go.
Thank you.
you're good, right?
Yeah, we just won.
Covers the
See?
basis. There you go.
There
So
you
do
go.
we. Guess what? But we won faster.
Shut the
'cause
fuck
we
Oh
up.
my God, bro.
better.
Told you, JJ. We just brought that back.
See,
You're
you
welcome.
got the right idea, Fazo. Keep that fucking mentality. Yeah, keep that positive mentality, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
that's,
I just got S1.
that's my boy. That's my boy
I'm
right there.
S1, alright.
I'm proud of you.
You said you're
Fury,
still
join up.
ugly, though.
We're gonna do a survivor now.
Wait a minute. Are you
I'm a
judging
kid
a
now,
man on
okay,
his
so-
looks? Hey, we need to put a second sus on Master.
Why is his name? No, it's not Master, it's Mistress. What the fuck?
Mistresses.
Yo, I am the MVT.
The most
Well, you
versatile.
tit.
Oh, that's right. I don't even play with you guys. I was playing alone. I was playing with randoms. Hey, we still managed to win.
Get shit off. The most valuable. Yeah.
You got the most valuable tips.
Most valuable penis.
That nigga said, bro. Of course I get dashed. When I was in the freaking clothing. What the fuck?
Who you got?
Him profit, huh?
You a brain fart.
Imagine watching team on the game.
JJ has the most valuable PP.
Why has he got PowerPoint for?
She got a PowerPoint.
Diarrhea.
Hell no.
Bill, no, that's on God.
JK.
I'm gonna know it, bro. Fuck up. Bro, Eddie, you know what you have, bro? This nigga has the world's smallest nose in the world. Look at that.
Hey, you want to know this? You want to know the
You
definition
suck, yeah.
of disappointment?
No,
Running
the
into
fuck
a wall
I don't,
full
bro.
speed with a boner and breaking your nose.
Kiss mark.
Bro, what the fuck, bro?
Heavy black heart.
Heavy black. Is this technically still?
Yo, start up a survival, bro.
No, don't
Oh,
start
no,
it.
no, no.
Dude, this infinite shit.
I'm just gonna start it.
Every nigga who does an infinite is suck my goddamn dick.
No,
You can suck a dick.
That could be
An elephant.
gay.
Hey, no, I swear, bro. You are the most valuable for the most talkative kid ever. Swear.
Get him, bitch! No!
The most valuable talkative kid ever, bro.
Bitches, fuck with me.
Yeah, you tell them, bro.
Fuck with a nigga.
Tell them, bro.
Dude, I just killed the whole
Don't
fucking
put
lobby.
that like-
Rosin and Shuriken, my nigga. I never leave home without it in the back pocket.
Fuck with a nigga.
Teabag in motherfucker. Put your testicles all up in those bitches' face.
I say it with a lot of power, too. Fuck with a nigga.
Fuck with a nigga.
You like that? That makes you gay.
Yeah, it's like that. Fuck with a nigga, man.
Did you enjoy teabagging the motherfucker?
Yeah, I got the second, too.
That makes you gay.
Hell no.
You enjoy sticking your nuts in some dude's face?
JJ, JJ, JJ.
That makes you gay.
What the fuck? Eddie, bro.
This nigga annoying.
Bro, Eddie, are you good, bro? This nigga Eddie, bro.
Now they jumping. I ain't got no problem.
Bro, Eddie,
Y'all
what's
can
up,
get
man?
this
What's
dick.
up, man? JJ.
That one a fucking reverse
Fuck
game
you,
bang?
bro.
I'm good at that.
I'll put it through your spleen. Whoa, pause.
JJ is gay, lol, JK.
You ain't got it, JK.
Oh shit, my pussy hurts. Alright, never mind.
Said, no, don't touch me there. This is my no square.
No, get away from me, kid.
Who the fuck's not here?
Me?
Now. I did 7 times, check your inbox. Oh, I invited the wrong. Yeah, sorry, my bad.
Bible.
I'm fucking gay.
Bro, imagine Jesus not being really Jesus.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck. Fuck Jesus.
Dude, imagine everyone ditching out on you and making you have to play with randoms.
MS, join up. There's 2 spaces,
Too
whoever
late.
joins.
I'm going into the Ninja World League already.
Yo, I don't care. Alright, JJ's in, MS is in. Sorry, Phil, it's Phil.